Hey guys, got a 2021 plate BMW 1 Series here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, you're going to have to make sure your ignition is turned on or the engine on. Then come to the screen in the centre of the dash. Then from here, go to car. Then vehicle status. And tyre pressure monitor, tyre settings, and first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressure, then go to start tyre recognition. Now all you do now, you drive around for about 5 minutes and it will recognise the new pressures and store it.